Assalamu alaikum. This is our second lecture on increase and decrease in prices. So the question is sugar price which was 200 which was Rs 200 was decreased by 10%. What is the new price? This means that the sugar price initially sugar price was Rs 200. So this price was increased by 10%. Increased by 10%. What is the new price? So how to find the new price? We have formula, that is, as we know that 10% means 10 divided by 100 multiplied by the price of sugar was 200. So by simplifying this value, these two zeros will be cancelled with the denominator. 2 multiplied by 10 will be 20. This is the difference of the sugar price which was being increased. So by subtracting this 20 with this value, we will find out the new price as decrease. So in case of increased value, as the sugar price was decreased, so we will subtract this 20 with 200 minus 20, which is equal to 180. So the new price of sugar should be equal to Rs 180 as the price was decreased. Similarly, we have another question. Question is 10% increase in sugar price. The increment in sugar is 10%. The original price of sugar was Rs 200. What is the new price? In the previous question, we had seen that the price was increased by 10%. The price was decreased by 10%, and in this question, the price was increased by 10%. So, how to find out the increased price? We will use the similar method as we have used in a previous question. So, initial price is equal to Rs 200. Increment in sugar price is 10%. Okay, so we will find the new price of sugar. So the method we have used in previous question will be applied over here. So 10% mean 10 upon 100 multiplied by 200, which is the initial price. So simplifying this, these two zeros will be cancelled out with these, and we will find out 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. So here the 20 amount will be added to the original price. So 200 plus 20 is equal to 210. So this is the new price of sugar after the increment of 10%. So similar question is here, increase 300 by 15% and decrease the same value mean 300 by 15%. Find the new number of each. This means that we have a number, we have an amount which is 300, we have an amount which is equal to 300. So in this 300 there is the increment of 15%. So the question is, what is the new number of this value? We can solve this question as we have used in previous question, the same method. 300 multiplied by 15 upon 100. One thing must be noted over here is this is the increased price. So these two zeros will be cancelled out with these. 15 3s are 45. So as the value has been increased 15%, so this 45 will be added to this 300 plus 45. This must be equal to 345. This is the new value. Okay, the second part of this question is that the same amount is decreased by 15%. The same method will be applied. 300 multiplied by 15 divided by 100, the answer must be 45. This 45 now you have to decrease, as here is the decrease, so this 45 will be subtracted from 300 minus 45. The answer would be 5 and 2. New value is equal to 255. These are the same questions of increase and decrease in percentage. Here in another question which is something like tricky, and these are the common questions which are being asked in many examinations on paper questions. The question is, in a class 80% students were present. If there were 300 students, this 300 is total students, total number of students. 300 students, how many students were absent? This means that there is a class total strength, total students are 300 present students are 80%. Okay, we have to find out the absent number of students. So how to solve such type of questions? First of all, you have to find out the total percentage. Total percentage of students is equal to 100%. Okay, so how many students are present? 100 minus total present are 80, so how many students are absent? 100 minus 80, which is equal to 20%. 20% students are absent. So 20% of 300 must be equal to the number of students which are absent. 20% multiply by 300. So by simplifying this question, these two zeros will be cancelled out with these. 323s are 60. The number of absent students are 60. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel for further updates and questions. Thank you.